live right about here.
You're a big bone girl. Bones don't jiggle, Mom.
I was wondering if you weren't doing anything today.
Mark and Molly, a new comedy Mondays this fall, only CBS.